lovely people! Welcome to this quick guide on how to change the size of your design in Canva. No matter if you are creating graphics for social media or any other platform, Canva makes it simple to resize your designs to fit perfectly. So let's get started. Let's say this is your design and you want to resize it. Let's open the new tab and search for canva.com. Now click on Create a Design and click on Custom Size, and now just type 1080 and again type 1080. Now click on Create New Design. So the new tab will open. Now go to design that you need to resize. Right click on the photo and click on Copy. Now go back and click on Canvas and now press Ctrl+V so the photo is pasted. Adjust it in the frame. Now go back and right click on the label and again copy it. Now go back and again press Ctrl+V so the label is pasted. Just adjust it, reduce the size. Now go back and just copy the text. And now just click on the text button and click this subheading and just press Ctrl+V so the text will be copied here. Adjust it and there you have it. You have successfully resized your design in Canva. It's that easy to make your designs fit any platform. Whether it's social media, print media or presentations, Canva has you covered. Start resizing your designs with confidence and enjoy the flexibility Canva provides. If the content helped you, leave a like on the video, leave a compliment or a suggestion in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel to follow our content. Bye!